Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Listen, today we are going to learn using a mirror. That means we can learn about the symmetry. Okay, page number 71. Dear students, what is the symmetry? We can learn about the symmetry. Look, boy, this is one paper. Yes, one paper. I made one line along here. This paper in two parts, such that both the part match exactly when the folded along the line. Look, the match exactly correct. Look, this two side exactly correct. Look, this exactly matched. This is a symmetry. We can learn more symmetry.
Types of lines of symmetry. As we learned before, a symmetrical shape is a shape that can be divided into two identical halves. And this line is called a line of symmetry. It divides the shape into two identical halves. Let's take a look at this square, which is an example of a symmetrical shape. As you can see, if we fold it across this line of symmetry, we get these two identical halves or parts. Similarly, we can fold the square in this way to get two identical halves. So this line is also a line of symmetry for the square. The first line of symmetry is called a vertical line of symmetry because it cuts the shape from top to bottom, while the second line of symmetry cuts the shape horizontally from right to left. Therefore, it is called a horizontal line of symmetry. So, sometimes we can find more than one line of symmetry in a symmetrical shape. Let's take another look at the square. Can you see any lines of symmetry other than the horizontal and the vertical ones in this square? Well, we can split the square across the corners to form two identical halves. Similarly, we can split it across the other opposite corners to get another two identical parts. These two lines of symmetry are called diagonal lines of symmetry. So, a square has four lines of symmetry: one horizontal line, one vertical line, and two diagonal lines of symmetry. To summarize, a symmetrical shape can have one or more lines of symmetry. The type of the line of symmetry depends on how the line splits the shape into two identical halves. There are three types of lines of symmetry: a vertical line, a horizontal line, and finally, a diagonal line of symmetry. In this lesson, you learned how to identify the different types of lines of symmetry in a symmetrical shape.
Students, look, this is a one home, one house. Yes, this house we can two part, both the part match exactly. It is a symmetry. Look, we can check it. You want a ruler, but here no ruler that way. Please listen. Look, this is a symmetry picture. Look, this is a exactly match. Yes, one the fold to a long line along the line, it is match correct here. Look, this side also, this side also. It is the symmetry. Understand? It is a symmetry. Next picture we can learn. Look, we can learn here. This is a one line symmetry. Look, we can make a correct half piece here, half side here. This is a symmetry. This is a symmetry line. This line is called symmetry line. Next, look, boys. Here, one more picture. This we can know. Look, this is also symmetry. This match exactly one the fold along the line. One drawing along the line. Correct. Yes. Match exactly two part correctly. This we want, maybe we fold it. That's exact correct. This also we fold it. Match exact. Okay. Understand, dear students? Listen, dear students. If draw a line. If draw a line which match exactly when we fold it along this line. You fold it along this line, this correct matched. Yes, this side and this two part. Here also one part, here also one part. Correct. This is a half side, this is a half side also. We got. This is a symmetry. Next, look, boys. Here, look, this is a correct here also, of here also. This is a one line symmetry. What is this? This is a one line symmetry. This is also I draw one line here. Look, this exact match, this two side. When you fold it, you can understand this exact match. It is a symmetry. And we can draw another one line also. This is also exact. This is correct. Sorry. Look, this is also exact match. Just fold it this side. You fold it like that. This is exact match. This is also symmetry. Here how many line? Here one line. Because this we can do only one line. Because we cannot do like this. It is not match correct. But here two line. This is we can say two line symmetry. Two line symmetry. Next here look. This is also one triangle, this is also one triangle. But this triangle and this triangle very different. Because this triangle, this side and this side is same. But this side not equal. Maybe here 6 centimeter, here also 6 centimeter. But here maybe 4 or 3 centimeter only. But here look. This is a 3 side also same. So we can just draw. This is a one symmetry line. This, if we fold it exact match, we will be get to exact match. And here one line. Yes. Next look. We can draw here also. Look, this side we fold it. You can fold it this side also. This we get to exact match. And this from this side also. Look. You fold it this three side also we can fold it. This is a, we can say how many line? 1, 2, 3 is a 3 line symmetry. Understand? 3 line symmetry. Understand everybody? How did you divide this square into 2 part or 3 part? We can do. Just we can check it. This first we can write one part. Look, it is a 2 part we get. So divided 2 part, it is a symmetry. And we can more dividing this. Look, 2 line symmetry. We can do like this also. 3 line symmetry. We can do this also. How many line we can divide it here? Here 4 line. This is a 4 line symmetry. It is a symmetry. If you have correct exact half, it is a symmetry. Understand? And look, just I show you one picture also. Look, one picture. This how many line? How many time we can divide this? How did you divide this? Look, just we cannot divide any one piece also, because this it is not correct match. Maybe if you divide here, it is this 2 side, but here not match it, so it is not symmetry. Understand? If you can divide the exact match, it is a symmetry. After this, I send you one video also for this more understanding. Understand? Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about symmetry. Symmetry is a concept that is commonly found in math, especially geometry, but it is also often discussed in art and design. An object that has symmetry can be divided into identical pieces. When an object has symmetry, we say that it is symmetrical. When an object does not have symmetry, we say that it is asymmetrical. There are many different types of geometric symmetry, but today we are only going to talk about the simplest form, reflectional symmetry. An object or image that has reflectional symmetry is like a mirror image. If you were to draw an imaginary line down the center of a symmetrical object and fold it in half along that line, the shapes would match up. This imaginary line is called a line of symmetry. Some symmetrical objects only have one line of symmetry, while others have more. For example, this triangle only has one line of symmetry, straight down the middle, because if you try to divide it any other way, the pieces don't match up. This triangle, on the other hand, has 3 lines of symmetry. You could fold it here, here, or here, and each time the halves would be the same. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. You could divide it in half from left to right, top to bottom, or from corner to corner either way. Symmetry is often found in nature. One favorite example of this is a butterfly. When a butterfly folds its wings, it is easy to see that they are the same shape. Now that you know what symmetry means, see if you can find symmetrical objects near you. You may be surprised by how many things are symmetrical.